Okay guys, we got a 2020 Journey and the rear camera is upside down and flickery, as you can see. So we're gonna check it out and see what is going on. So first thing I want to check, and that's because I noticed that this was not sitting right and there's like space over here. Someone might have like hit it, so I'm gonna start from here rather than the backup camera. So we made some progress, as you can see. Now it is not flickering, and what I did is I unplugged the connector back here after removing those covers, but the camera is still upside down. The most likely solution is to replace the camera, but I'm gonna try to unplug the connector and connect it back to see if that will fix it. We'll try to avoid like throwing parts of the car and go for the cheaper solution. I'll try that, and if I need to replace the camera, I'll just replace it and see. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so I went ahead and replaced the camera, and as you can see now, it is working, not flickering, it's not upside down. It's pretty easy. I'll quickly and briefly explain how to do it. So yeah. So this is the panel. These are all the clips that you gotta undo, and you got T30, two T30 screws, one here and one there. And then don't forget to remove this connector for the lights. Before removing the panel, you gotta remove these small side panels. They go right here. They sit under the big panel. One here, one here. After that, you got to loosen this 10mm knot. This is the camera connector. I also loosened this connector. And then you come around here. We got T30 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remove the license plate. Remove the license plate so you can drop this down. And that's all to it. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.